Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Bits Bank. Today we'd like to discuss chemistry MCQs important for SSC railways and other exams. So friends, you can follow us on Instagram as well at the rate Exam Bits Bank. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel for more updates. And let's start with the session. Question number 1. The detergent action of soap is due to its options are emulsifying property, alkalinity, solubility in water, precipitating power. The answer is emulsifying property. Next question. Muddy water is treated with alum in purification process. It is termed as adsorption, emulsification, absorption, coagulation. And the answer is coagulation. Option D. Next question. The use of heat treatment of ore that includes melting and roasting is termed as electrometallurgy, cryometallurgy, hydrometallurgy or pyrometallurgy. And the answer for this question is pyrometallurgy. Option D. Next question. Plaster of Paris is made from marble, bauxite, limestone, gypsum. And the answer for this question is gypsum. And formula for plaster of Paris is nothing but CaSO4 half H2O. And the formula for gypsum is nothing but CaSO4 2H2O. Okay, just remember this, guys. Moving on to next question. When ore is heated generally in absence of air, then the process is called as smelting, roasting, calcination, none. And the answer for this question is roasting. Next question. The chemical name of baking soda is, options are sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate. And the answer for this question is sodium bicarbonate. Nothing but NaHCO3. And formula for sodium carbonate is Na2CO3. And sodium chloride NaCl. And sodium nitrate NaNO3. Okay, moving on to next question. Chemical formula of washing soda is Na2SO4 10H2O, NaHCO3, Na2CO3 10H2O, CaOH taken twice. And the answer for this question is Na2CO3 10H2O. And NaHCO3 just we have discussed, it's nothing but sodium bicarbonate. So friends, these two questions are very important in our examinations. These questions are asked for many times, the baking soda and the washing soda. And CaOH taken twice is nothing but calcium hydroxide. The answer for this question is Na2CO3. Okay, moving on to next question. Which of the following is responsible for permanent hardness of water? The options are magnesium bicarbonate, sodium chloride, calcium sulfate, calcium bicarbonate. And the answer for this question is option C, calcium sulfate. Moving on to next question. Soda ash is the name for sodium hydroxide, anhydrous sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate or hydrated sodium carbonate. And the answer for this question is hydrated sodium carbonate. Soda ash is also nothing but sodium carbonate, nothing but washing soda. We have just discussed in our earlier question. Moving on to next question. There are only two metals that are non-silver in color. They are, option A, sodium and magnesium, copper and gold, palladium and platinum, nickel and zinc. And the answer for this question is copper and gold. Moving on to next question. The process of sudden cooling is known as annealing, diffusion, quenching, or sedimentation. And the answer for this question is quenching. A small announcement, guys. From our channel, we are planning to bring up SSC CHSL previous year MCQs subject wise in our upcoming videos, so that it would be helpful for our upcoming examination SSC CHSL, which is going to be conducted on August 17th. So we are having a span of around 65 days. Hope we cover all the previous year MCQs subject wise, which would be beneficial for our exam. So please, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please do subscribe our channel for more updates. Moving on to our next question. The soft silvery metallic element which ionizes easily when heated or exposed to light and is present in atomic clocks is. Options are californium, calcium, cerium, cesium. And the answer for this question is cesium. Next question. Heavy metal got their name because compared to other atoms they have higher atomic number or higher atomic radii or higher atomic mass or high densities. The answer for this question is option C, higher atomic masses. Next question. The ore of aluminium is. Options are chalcopyrites, hematite, fluorspar, or bauxite. The answer for this question is bauxite. And friends, here you need to make a note of this. Hematite is an ore of iron. And chalcopyrites is an ore of copper. Okay, moving on to next question. Chemically, vermilion is calcium carbonate, potassium nitrate, potassium sulfide, mercury sulfide. Nothing but cinnabar. The answer for this question is mercury sulfide. Cinnabar. The formula for cinnabar is HGS. So that's it, guys, for today's session. So thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that when we post a new video you will get the notification. Thanks for watching.